All right, we're gonna do a little bit different today. Unbox and water test. See how it would work. It claims to be IPX7 waterproof. And fast charging, deep bass touch control, USB-C charging. All right, unboxing, pretty nice, fast. Oh, push. Wow, nice. Just like the other one, more premium model. I think it is called, let's see, True Wireless, forgot its name. Liberty 2 Pro. Yeah, just like that one. I keep the Liberty 2 Pro in my garage as my noise canceling earbuds when I'm running my table saws, miter saws, and do all kinds of woodwork. But this one I got here is the Dot 2. Very, very tiny. Yeah, let me go to the its marketing page here. Yeah, disclaimer: Anker sent those to me for free, and they did not ask me to, say anything nice or bad. Basically they let me say anything I want, right? So I can just do this. It should be able to, according to its rating, should be withstand water for up to 30 minutes and up to 3.3 feet. Looks good. And let's see if it pairs. Of course, the case isn't waterproof. What else? I'll just leave them in there. We got Type-C charging cable, pretty standard. Some paperwork and some additional tips for fitting, right? There's that. That's a nice shower. I'll see if it pairs with my MacBook Pro. Bluetooth from my iPad Pro. Not sure if I have to put it in a box and pair or what. Let's see, some quick start guide. Charging, wearing, pairing. Right. It's charging. If I take them out of the box, well, I see this. Soundcore Spirit Dot 2 paired. Wow. I guess if I do this, it should work as well. But activated Siri. Yes, what time is it? Well, even recognize this. Cool. Seems to be good quality. Let me put them on. Fit nice. Well, can hear myself talking. That's the only voice I can hear. Not bad. Yeah, very, very portable. Well, but the water would definitely activate Siri, as you can see here. Right? It is definitely waterproof, but I would keep the box, the charging case, out of the water, of course. This is very nice sliding action. I think the quality may be just much better than my other earbuds of this type. Type C charging.
Sorry, I missed what you said. Which one? YM Tatao or Ziochu?
But it will definitely mess up with Siri while it's in the water. So I take them out.
I'm sorry.
I put them back in my ear. Yeah, it works good.
Sick plaid gloves and bags for Vortex, of course. Alliance ammunition for all of your ammunition needs.
If you find this review helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you.